Hi, I'm English Teacher KBob. Remember rule number 1. English is a crazy language. Hi, let's talk about the letter A and the 4 different pronunciations for one letter. And yes, I know it's confusing for English learners, and that's why I want to talk with you about it today. Now, A is a vowel. There are 5 vowels in the English language. A, E, I, O, and U. A is the first vowel, and it's the first letter in the alphabet of 26 letters, although there are a lot more sounds than 26 sounds for the 26 letters. But we're going to focus on the letter A today. So, the first sound is the long sound. And the long sound for all vowels is when a vowel says its own name. And in this case, it's A. A is its name, and that's what it says. And you can usually tell a vowel is saying its own name, usually, not always. There would be an E, usually at the end of the word, and that E is silent. It doesn't say anything. And that makes the vowel say its own name in words like make and bake and shake and take. There's a silent E at the end, and all of those words, the A says its own name. Now also, A pairs with other letters, and it continues to say its own name in words like ray, R-A-Y, and say, S-A-Y, and rain, R-A-I-N, and train, T-R-A-I-N. So when A is paired with I or Y, it says its own name. So that's all I can say about that for now. The second pronunciation for the letter A is the short sound. Now, all vowels have a long and a short sound. The short sound for A is A, as in cat and rat and bat. There's no E at the end. It's just short sound A. The next of the pronunciations is called a schwa. And a schwa A doesn't sound like A at all. It sounds very much like the short sound of the letter U. Above, among. And there are several of the words in English that they start with an A, but they actually sounds like an like a short U. And when we use the letter A as a word, like a man or a woman or a pencil, most of the time, at least here in the United States, people pronounce it like the schwa A man, a woman, or a pencil. It's still proper to say a man or a woman or a pencil, but more often than not, you hear people say a man, a woman, a pencil, and so forth. And then the fourth pronunciation for the letter A is called the medium A. And again, it doesn't sound like A at all. It sounds like the short sound of the letter O, ah, like in water and walk and all and although and many others. So that's the 4 different pronunciations for the letter A. And yes, I know it's confusing, but if you practice and learn them, you can master them and help you learn English. Now, I hope you will like this video by leaving me a thumbs up below the video. And I hope you will subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out my website at EnglishTeacherKBob.com. Have a good day.